Good evening to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the validative function of AICT Training and Learning ATAL sponsored 6-day online faculty development program on recent trends and advancements in integrated power systems, which was scheduled from 16/12 to 12, organized by the Department of Tripoli, Bharat Institution of Higher Education and Research. I welcome Dean IQA Sir, Dr. Ilampurnan Sir, who is not only a resource person but also the core essence of this FTP. I also welcome all the participants and the organizers for this validity function. Let us commence the program by the validation proceedings. I request Dr. V. Jayalakshmi, Professor of Tripoli, to deliver the report of this FTP.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. V. Jayalakshmi, Professor, Department of Tripoli, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. As a coordinator of this FDP, I feel happy to present the proceedings of AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored 6 days online faculty development program on recent trends and advancement in integrated power systems. Around about 185 participants have registered for this FDP across the country, and 13 experts have shared their expertise with us. So the program was started on 16/12/2024 with the inaugural address by Professor Dr. Malathi Patumalai, INTI International University, Malaysia. The session 1 was handled by Dr. Santosh Annadurai, who is working as Head Research and Development, GE Grid Solution, Kanchipuram. He delivered a talk on recent advances in high voltage substation equipment. Then session 2 was conducted by Dr. Jayabalan Velandi, Unit R&D Head, GE India Industrial Private Limited, Huzur. He delivered a talk on trends of high voltage insulation design in electrical equipments. The session 3 was conducted by Mr. Gopinath, Director R&D, Philips Healthcare, Bangalore. He discussed about the advanced diagnostic techniques for power equipments. Then the session 4 was conducted by Engineer Annamalai Ramanathan, Director, Prawns Imaging India Private Limited, Hyderabad. He delivered a talk on gravity energy storage systems. Then session 5 was delivered by Mr. Abhijit Patel, Senior Software Architect, Philips, Pune, Maharashtra. He delivered a talk on recent trends in AI for electrical healthcare equipments. Then the section 6 was handled by Dr. Bishwajit Rai, Associate Professor, Electrical and Computer Engineering, Corolda State University, United States. He delivered a talk on data storage device and memory for intelligent electrical equipments. Then the session 7 was delivered by Dr. M.K. Ilampurnan, Professor and Dean IQAC, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. He delivered a talk on condition monitoring and diagnostics of power transformers. Then session 8 was conducted by Dr. Ajit Bardhan Roy, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Kattankulattur. He discussed about emerging trends in solar cell technology, fabrication and future outlook. Then session 9 was delivered by Dr. Lakshman S.A., Head Research, Amirta School of Engineering, Amirta Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Chennai. He delivered a talk on role of power electronic converters for a sustainable transportation and smart grid systems. Then session 5 was delivered by Dr. M. Chakrabani Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Assam Energy Institute, Assam. He discussed about the cyber security in sustainable energy system and electric vehicles. Then the session 11 was delivered by Dr. B. Rajanarayanan Burshti, Professor, Dean Research, Galgotia University, Uttar Pradesh. He discussed about the probability load flow analysis. Then session 12 was conducted by Dr. M.A. Asharani Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Silchar. He explained about the enhancement operation of DFIG based wind power plants under grid voltage imbalance. Then the session 13 was delivered by Engineer Ganapati, Director, Global Logic, Hitachi Digital Engineering Division, Japan. He delivered a talk on e-vehicle connectivity and management. So I hope the knowledge and insight gained during the This program will serve as foundation for further growth and development for our respective fields. Thank you all for making this FDP as grand success. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our Dean IQAC sir, Dr. Ilampuran sir, to say a few words. Ilampuran sir.
Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you
sir.
are audible, sir.
Oh. So I am thankful to our management to encourage us for submitting proposals for FDP and other research grants. And this is a wonderful circumstance. I have to thank Dr. Jayalakshmi for taking a great initiative and organizing the resource persons from various fields. Actually, it was a well-knit what do you call it as the FDP, because we have covered a wide range of advancement in the electrical power systems, ranging from what you call it as the condition monitoring, that is high voltage side, and then power system, power electronics, all the subject matters, fundamentals were taken, and also the advancement in renewable was taken into the picture. Apart from that, we had a few two lectures, especially from Abhijit Patel and the professor from Colorado, the Biswajit Rai. They delivered a very core address on IoT-based electrical systems. So it was a wide perspective. It is very difficult to accommodate all the recent trends in the electrical system. But I congratulate the organizer and the others, the faculty team who are behind in getting all these faculty expertise in one place. So I hope all the days the people were very happy, and they took note of whatever the recent advancement for the research initiative, and also they can further extend their knowledge by actually querying about the content, and they can approach the faculty members in need, so that we have a better future for our future generations. So I hope such kind of FDP is required at this present stage, and it shows a clear trend where our advancement is going. It is clearly moving towards EV and renewable, and this would have been noticed by most of the faculty members. The faculty community will be very happy, and I hope they will share their happy note in this valedictory address. By this, I'm concluding my brief speech, and I'm getting hand over to the Jalakshmi madam and the team of Anita and Divya. Thank you. Thank you one and all for providing opportunity in the valedictory section. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I request your participants to give a valuable feedback, please.
Participants, kindly turn on your camera and share your views.
Am I audible, madam? This is
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
V. Arulalan.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Good evening to one and all present here. First of all, I thank Atal Academy and Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research for organizing an 6 days FDP in recent trends in advancement in integrated power systems. And moreover, I would like to extend my thanks to the conveners, Dr. M.K. Ilampurnam, Dean IQAC, Dr. Prakash, Dean School of Electrical Electronics, Dr. Lakshmi HOD Triply, and the coordinators, Dr. V. Jayalakshmi, Associate Professor Triply, and Mrs. Anita Sambat Kumar, Assistant Professor Triply. So, first of all, I would like to thank the coordinators along with Dr. Ilamburlam sir, because for the all 6 days they have been with us and they have been watching everything, each and everything what happened. And I would like to thank the conveners for arranging a wonderful faculty development program. It was a very good knowledge sharing. And we had various topics, as Dr. Elambornam expressed. We have covered all the topics in an advancement and basics in electrical and electronics engineering. So I'm very much thankful. And moreover, how come I feel how they arranged the experts, they have arranged from various fields, from industries, academicians, and even from foreign delegates they have arranged. So thanks for arranging such a nice, wonderful program. So in each and every feedback, I asked for an laboratory sessions, but in online program, I think it is not feasible. So if possible, they can arrange for a virtual any industrial tour like this for the necessary topics. Please keep this in your mind while arranging for the next programs. I expect more and more programs from Bharat Institute. Thank you for giving an opportunity in participating in this event. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your valuable suggestions, sir. We will look into it, sir. Any other participants? Kindly turn on your mic and introduce yourself and share your feedbacks.
Your feedback means a lot. Please kindly do it.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
I'm Dr. A. Satish Kumar, Associate Professor, Amit University, Marine Engineering Department. First,
Sir, kindly turn on your camera and share, sir, please, if possible.
Stand on, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now it's.
Myself, Dr. A. Satish Kumar, Associate Professor, Marine Engineering, Amit University, Chennai. First, I'd like to congratulate team members, Jayalakshmi ma'am and Anita ma'am, and also who were behind this successful completion of 13 session and also this valedictory. So they have conducted this event in very successful manner, and especially today afternoon from 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock, everyone is participated in this online event. So they have taken that much effort to arrange the resource person from the various, as sir said, no, yeah, IQAC sir said similarly, from the research and industries, you have called many people from other states also. So very good, ma'am. Thank you. We are expecting many more ATAL events like this, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Participants, kindly turn on camera, introduce yourself and share your valuable feedback.
Thomas, sir, please kindly speak, sir. Mute yourself. Unmute yourself and tell us a few feedbacks, sir, Thomas. Unmute yourself, sir, please. Unmute yourself.
It was a wonderful session conducted by yourself, ma'am, especially that fourth session, that is integrated power system and renewable energy resources. That was the excellent topic, and it's a new technique that I have learned is the liquid gasoline oils in the power systems. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Any other participants? Please give suggestions for improvement to organize such an FDP.
Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
I'm Arul Kandan from Holy Cross Engineering College, Thuthukudi, Assistant Professor of EEE Department. It's a very useful topic also for me, ma'am. And second topic and third topic, now only I joined in assistant professor. It 1.5 years, 1.5 years only, ma'am. So it's very, I now only entrance exam I will pass in PhD only. So it is very useful for my second session and third session for me, ma'am. Because I'm in ME in high voltage engineering. So I'm doing a project research in high voltage engineering only, ma'am. Doing in oil only. So Jay Balansal is very useful for me for guide for my PhD work for ma'am. And also Gopinath sir also is very useful for me. Is advanced diagnostic equipments for power equipments. So it's useful for me to attend the class. So anyway, in your institute is very useful for me, ma'am. It's the first time I will attend in the meeting, ma'am, ATAL meeting. So I will very useful for my this is a first expression for me, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your feedback. Our Dean IQ also expert in high voltage only, sir. You can
Okay,
contact sir any doubt in research, sir. Sir will definitely help you, sir. Thank
my
you,
number, WhatsApp number, ma'am. Call
okay,
phone.
thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Participants, please share your feedback.
Ma'am, shall we wind up then?
Okay, ma'am.
Divya?
Ma'am?
Okay.
Okay. Am I audible,
I
ma'am?
request, yeah, wait 1 minute, ma'am. I request S. Divya, Assistant Professor of EEE, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. It's my great honor to deliver the vote of thanks at the conclusion for the enriching ATAL sponsored 6 days online faculty development program in recent trends and advancement in integrated power system organized by Department of EEE, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. First and foremost, I would like to thank ATAL Academy officials for approving the FDP and providing the financial support to conduct this program. Next, it's my sincere thanks to all our distinguished speakers for their invaluable insight and thought-provoking session. Thank you for your time, wisdom, and for answering all our questions with patience and clarity. A special thanks to our Dean IQAC, Dr. M.K. Ilamburnan sir, who initiated and provided his continuous support and thought-provoking ideas throughout the program for the grand success of the 6 days faculty development program. Thank you, sir. Next, I would also like to express my sincere thanks to Dr. S. Prakash sir, Dean School of Electrical Engineering, for giving this valuable suggestion and guidance. Next, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Dr. X. Lakshmi ma'am, HOD, EEE, for her constant support conducting this faculty development program. Last but not least, I express my thanks to our participants, faculty members, researchers, and industry professionals. Thank you for your active engagement, thought-provoking questions, and contribution throughout the program. In the words Benjamin Franklin, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Let us take the wealth of knowledge from the 6 days and invest in our students, our research, and our institutions. Thank you once again to everyone who made this program a grand success. Wishing you all the success in your future endeavor. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.